Hop into the 2017 Honda Civic. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This Civic Coupe sets the standard for comfort, convenience, and performance. You'll have a blast controlling the road in sleek, safe style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, floor mats, temporary spare tire. Scenic route or daily commute, driving never felt so good. Test drive the Honda Civic Coupe today.